Guys, I'm Steve Ludwig, aka Mr. Insurance. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about online insurance and just talk to you guys about some of the deception that goes on and the misinterpretation of actually getting the lowest possible rate. You know, we've all heard the whole saying, 15 minutes could save you 15% and that kind of thing. But there's also a number of different companies. You can go out online and you can be able to fill out, answer 4 questions about yourself. And you can get insurance, or so you think, instantly until you actually decide to use the insurance. Now, there's a company out there online, it's very popular, it rhymes with boot, and that company, what they'll do is they will take your payment, your information. There is a non-refundable fee that goes together with that, and then what they'll do is they will rate you in that first 30-day period. Now, there's a disclaimer, and buyer beware on this. What happens is that if you answer anything unknowingly or unknowingly incorrectly and you are perceived to have lied or cheated on the application, they reserve the right to be able to deny your claim and refund you back any of your premiums that you've paid in minus the setup fee. Okay, so keep that in mind. The other thing is here too is that after that 30 days, let's say that you had nothing happen during that time, the insurance company again runs the record. They check out and they find, hey, you got all these incidents. So what they do is they rate you up from the time period of when you started, and then they'll back charge you for that, and then they'll rate you accordingly going forward for what you should actually be rated for. Now, if it's determined that you're actually uninsurable, or if you have, where it's just too bad, the record is just too bad, then there's obviously other companies that we would have to go to that involve a little bit more than just being online. But the company, again, they reserve the right to be able to cancel the policy, not cover a claim, and be able to refund that premium. It's a big concern. It's something that a lot of people don't see. They just see that price tag. I'm telling you guys, if your price tag is not what everybody else across the line, if you're not in the ballpark of everybody else, don't you ask questions as to, well, why would it be this way? Stop being a cheap bastard and try to be able to get in there and actually work together with somebody that can give you financial and professional guidance on here to be able to make sure that you're not going to find yourself in a position where something's not going to be covered. That's the worst possible thing that can happen, is you think you have something and then you don't have it at all. So reach out to me. I'm in 48 states. I've got agents all across the nation here. And then we have like 50 something carriers that we can be able to take you to. No matter all these companies, you got a bunch of them pulling out, you got a bunch of them non-renewing, jumping rate, that kind of stuff. There's still companies that want you, and we can be able to find those companies for you, and we can guide you around the potholes in the road. So make sure to send me a message. If you have any questions, concerns, there's no obligation with it, but we'll see you out on the road ahead, and have a